How are babies like dogs? Well, pretty similar. There's the drooling, the slobbering, the humiliation of being put in ridiculous costumes, and the never-ending fear of what they'll try to eat. But maybe, just maybe, they're both way smarter than we think. They both respond to their caretakers with attachment and affection. They engage with us. They seem to understand us when we talk. Sometimes they can follow directions. To be honest, dogs might be better at that. But anyway, another thing they seem to have in common, aside from a special place in our hearts, is that they both seem to exhibit joint attention. Object permanence is a concept developed by Jean Piaget to describe the ability to know that an object or a person continues to exist, even when they're out of sight. This ability is considered a developmental milestone in human development. Piaget discovered that when babies younger than 10 months old saw an object placed in one location, they would continue to look for the object in that location, even after seeing it move to another location. This is called the A not B error, which is a consequence of an undeveloped concept of object permanence. How do our canine companions measure up? Well, Adam McCloskey of Yotbos-Loran University repeated the A not B experiment with domesticated wolves and dogs. He found that the wolves immediately found the object in location B. After it had been moved from location A, I guess you could say they made a beeline for it. But the dogs, they behaved very similar to babies. McCloskey interpreted this as a form of social learning because now this is where it gets neat. When the object was moved from A to B with strings, which meant that humans weren't interacting, the dogs were more likely to go to location B. Without these humans around, they began problem solving like their lupine relatives. When McCloskey repeated the string version of the A not B with babies were more likely to go to location B. It turned out that the presence of a person is what made a difference. Social interaction was a bigger variable than the object location. Both the babies and the dogs were looking to the person in the room for social cues and social instructions. That, my friend, is joint attention.